Hey travelers, are you planning a trip to an English-speaking country but worried about communication? No worries. In this video, I'll teach you essential English phrases for traveling, so you can explore with confidence. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English tips. First stop, the airport. Here are some key phrases you'll need. Checking in. Hello, I have a flight to destination. Here's my passport and ticket. Where is the check-in counter for airline? Security and boarding. Do I need to remove my shoes or electronics? What gate is my flight departing from? Pause here and comment below. What's your dream travel destination? I'd love to know. Now let's talk about getting around the city. Talking to a driver, can you take me to hotel name? How much will it cost? If you need directions, is this the fastest way? Can you drop me off here, please? Now let's check into your hotel. Checking in. I have a reservation under your name. What time is checkout? If you need help. Can I have an extra key, please? Where is the nearest restaurant? Enjoying this video? Smash that like button to let me know. Now the best part, food. Here's how to order like a pro. Ordering, can I see the menu, please? I'd like to order dish name, dietary needs. Do you have vegetarian options? I'm allergic to ingredient. Can you make it without? What's your favorite food when traveling? Comment below. Lost, no problem, just ask. Excuse me, how do I get to location? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? And that's it. These essential English phrases will help make your travels smoother and stress-free. Before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my travel English tips. Happy travels and see you in the next video.